everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Allahabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 9th class maths. We have started the basic chapters of 9th class, that is, we started with real numbers, polynomials and all other algebraic chapters. Today we are going to start a new, interesting and a typical chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. You have a basic introduction about surface areas which you have studied in your 8th and lower classes, right? You have learned about the volumes and all other things. Yes? Fine. In this chapter, we are going to learn surface areas and volumes of many figures such as cones, prisms. Okay? Not only just cubes and cuboids, we are going to extend the topic to cone and cylinders, prisms, like that. Okay, shall we start? See here. Remember, we are going to learn three things. One is LSA, TSA and one more is volume. Lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. Okay. What is lateral surface area? For example, if this is some solid, this is actually called a cylinder which has a curved surface area and two top and bottom. Okay, whatever this curved here it is there which is outside, that is lateral surface area, and for this it is called as CSA, curved surface area. If I include top and bottom areas, then it can be called as total surface area. Is it fine? Yeah, that is the thing. Shall we start? See here. For cube, what is a cube? Hope you all know how it looks. That is, it is a box with all sides are equal. Okay, the length of all sides are always equal. Is it right? Okay, how many faces does it have? Tell me. 6 faces with these many edges. Each edge is of length A. Okay, then the LSA, TSA and volume. Okay, tell me, what is LSA of a cube? It has 4 sides, lateral sides. Then each side is area, it is a square. Therefore, it will have 4a square. What about TSA? There's 4 sides and we have to include top and bottom. That is, totally will have 6 faces. It will be 6a square. What about volume? All sides are equal. Therefore, it is a cube. Is it fine? Nice. Next, what about cuboid? Cuboid also, it will have 3 different parameters. One is length, breadth and this is height. Okay, what is LSA now? Tell me. We have to include the lateral sides, these two and these two. Okay, that is 2HL and 2HB. Therefore, it will be 2H into L plus B. What about TSA? We have to add everything, LB, BH, HL. Okay, therefore, it will be double of LB plus BH plus HL. Fine. What about volume? We have to multiply 3 parameters, L, B, H. Is it clear? Is it easy to understand? Fine. What all we have to remember? LSA, TSA, volume. Okay. As of now, let us remember for cube and cuboid. After doing the problems of this, let us move on to the next figure. Okay. Shall we start? Let's do. Look at the questions here. He is telling TSA of a cube is 1350 and he is asking us to find the volume. What is the formula for TSA of a cube? How many faces does it have? 6. That is, the TSA of a cube is 6a square. Isn't it? Yes or no? Therefore, a square is equal to 1350 by 6. Can we cancel? Yes, right? 6 ones are 6 twos are 12 and the next 150 is left. 6 twos are 12, 15 bole to 6 twos are again 12, then next 6 6 are 36. Is it fine? 6 5s are 30. therefore a square is 225, a is 15 centimeter, isn't it? Square root of 225 is 15, right? Fine. What's the volume of a cube? Volume of cube is equal to a cube, that is 15 into 15 into 15, which is 225 into 15. Just multiply and let me know. 225 into 15, 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 11, 12, 3375 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cube, isn't it? What did we do? Just we have to equate the formula of TSA to the number, then finding the value of A, then substituting this A in the formula of volume of a cube. Clear? Fine. Look at the next question. He gave volume of a cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. What is the formula of volume of a cuboid? Volume of cuboid is 1200 centimeter cube. What is formula of a cuboid volume? LBH. LBH. Okay. And what did they give? Length is given as 15. Breadth is given as 10. He is asking us to find H. Can't we find? That's it. H is equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. 0 0 will get cancelled. Okay. Here 3 5s are 3 4s are 5 1s are 5 8s are. Therefore, height is 8 centimeter. Height of cuboid is 8 centimeter. Isn't it? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at this question here. He is asking us to find the volume of square pyramid whose square base is 10 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. Square base pyramid. What is pyramid? If I say, let us assume some cone. Cone can be called a circular pyramid. Okay, pyramid means which ends with a tip. Okay, you would have learned in your 8th class. That is, there will be a square at tip and they will end like this. Okay, here he is telling the height is 8 centimeter and the base is 10 centimeter. Okay, then how do we find? Tell me, can you understand? First of all, whenever you try to find the height of a cube, how do we find? L into B into H. Okay, that is L into B is a base area and H is height. Okay, here also if we do the same thing, we will get full, which is triple of this. Therefore, simply remember the volume of square pyramid is equal to 1/3 of volume of square prism. Okay, square prism is nothing but your cuboid. Okay, but it will have a prism in the bottom. Okay, now tell me, what is volume of a square prism? Area of that is nothing but side into side into height. Is it clear? What is side into side? Square base is 10 square into height is 8. 1 by 3 into 100 into 8, that is 800 by 3. Just divide, or else you can directly write as 800 by 3 centimeter cube. Is it difficult to remember what all parameters what all terms we learnt here? Prism, pyramid. Okay, square prism bole to will have a square in the bottom and again square in the top. Square pyramid bole to will have a square in the bottom and all the edges meet at a point. This is a pyramid. Okay, if it is a rectangle pyramid, we will have a rectangle and it will end at a point. If it is a pentagonal pyramid, we will have a pentagon on the bottom and all meet at a point. Okay, fine. Look at the next question here. How TSA of a box change if each dimension is doubled? Okay, let us say the box is a cuboid. Let us not assume cube. Okay, however cube bole to A is double, A is triple. We can directly find it. Let us take cuboid. Okay. See here. Let length be L, breadth B, height is H. Okay. Now tell me, if each dimension is doubled, let us take in capital letters. Capital L is equal to 2L, capital B is 2B, capital H is 2H. Fine. Now tell me, what is new volume? Let us take here volume is LBH. Let us take new volume. Let us put as V1. Okay, let us put as V1 here, V2 because it is doubled. Okay, LBH, that is nothing but 2L, 2B, 2H. How much is it? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 LBH. Okay, that is nothing but 8 into initial volume, which means the new volume is 8 times the actual volume. Is it? Nice. What about the second one? Length is tripled, breadth is also tripled, height is also tripled. Okay, then the volume is LBH, that is 3L, 3B, 3H. Now tell me, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 LBH, that is 27 into V1, that is new volume is 27 times the actual volume. Is it clear? Did you understand? These are all basic problems of cube and cuboid. Shall we move on to the next solid? Let's do. The next we are going to learn is about right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. First tell me, why do we call as this kind of names? Tell me, why not just cylinder? Why do we call as right circular cone, right circular right cylinder bole to will have exactly 90 degrees without any kind of deviation, and not only that, they are exact typical figures without any deviation. Okay, a right circular cylinder, see here, I told this is a cylinder, it will have a circle in the top and the same circle in the bottom, both will have a radius r. Okay, and one more parameter is height h. Okay, then what all we have to remember? One is LSA, TSA, and the next volume. Okay, I already told, for this kind of a curved thing, this is called not called as LSA, rather it is called as curved surface area, CSA. Okay, fine. What is CSA? Tell me. First of all, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Height is h. Therefore, if I multiply this, that will be my CSA, that is 2 pi r h. Okay. Then what about the TSA? 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. Okay. You can write it as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay. If I take common, this is popularly given as 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r is here, 1 r is extra here, and 1 h is from here. Okay, then what about volume? This is pi r square into h. That is nothing but pi r square h. Try to remember in whatever way you can. Okay, for example, if I tell there is a coin whose area is pi r square. If I arrange some 15 coins, then what will be the total volume? Tell me, 15 into pi r square, right, which is nothing but a cylinder form, which means the height is 50, I am assuming it like that. Similarly here also same. The area of this is pi r square. If I multiply with height, I will get the total volume. Is it clear? Don't get confused. That is a basic logic you have to remember. Okay, shall we do a few problems? See here. He is telling the volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube, height is 8 centimeter. He is asking us to find LSA and TSA. Okay, what is the formula of a volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h. H is given, volume is given. Can't I find R? Yes, right. See here, volume is equal to pi r square h, that is 308. Okay, what is pi? 22 by 7. R square we don't know, h is 8. Okay, let us multiply it. R square is equal to 308 into 7 by 22 into 8. Okay, now tell me how do we divide? Well, let's go in 11 table check. 3 plus 8, 11, it will go. Let us try. 11 2s are 22, and the next 11 8s are 88. Done. Now tell me 4 2s are 4 7s are. Okay, which is nothing but 49 by 4. Therefore, R is 7 by 2 centimeter. Is it right? Is it clear? Fine. He is asking us to find LSA and TSA. Can we substitute and find? Yes, right. See here, LSA is equal to 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into what is R? 7 by 2. What is H? 8. 7 7 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Again 4 2s are 8. Okay. 22 into 8. 22 into 8. Tell me how much is it? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 176 centimeter square. Clear? Fine. What about TSA? TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 8. Fine. Here 7 7 will get cancelled, 2 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, it is 22 into LCM is 2, 7 plus 16. 2 1s are 2 11s are 11 into 16 plus 7. How much is it? 23. Tell me 23, 23. 2, 5, 3. Answer is 253 centimeter square. Is it clear? Did you understand? Isn't it easy to solve? What all we learned till now? Cube, cuboid, and a few pyramids, and just an introduction about pyramids and prisms, and the next cylinder. These are 3 shapes which we learned, for which we learned LSA, TSA and volume. Is it fine? Good. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with more problems of surface areas and volumes. Thank you.